All right, let's talk about something that can be so incredibly frustrating, the clear blue ovulation test. More specifically, we're talking about that blinking smiley face that just seems to go on and on and on. I know, if you've ever felt like you're just stuck in that blinking smiley limbo, trust me, you are in exactly the right place. We're going to get you some answers.
Does this look a little too familiar? You start testing, you're all hopeful, you're looking for that peak result, and you get a blinking smiley. Okay, then you get another one the next day, and the day after that. It is so easy to start thinking, is something wrong? Am I just wasting my time here? We've all been there. But stick with me. We are going to break down exactly what's going on in your body and give you a solid game plan.
Okay, first things first, let's just pull back the curtain on this blinking smiley. It is not a sign that something is wrong. All it means, literally the only thing it means, is that your body has started to produce more estrogen. This is the very first signal that your body is gearing up for ovulation. So seeing it is actually a good thing. It means the engine has started.
I want you to think of your cycle like a two-step rocket launch. Step 1 is that rise in estrogen. The Clear Blue test picks that up and gives you a high fertility reading, and that's your blinking smiley. But, and this is key, that estrogen has to build up enough to trigger step 2, this huge surge of luteinizing hormone, or LH. That LH surge is the main event. It's the final countdown that gives you the peak static smiley.
So why on earth might you see that blinking smiley for 4, 5, maybe even 9 or 10 days? It just means your estrogen is taking its sweet time to get to that critical point to trigger the LH surge. This is super common, by the way, especially for people who have irregular cycles. A longer cycle often just means a longer warm-up to ovulation, which means, you guessed it, more days of that blinking high fertility signal. It's usually just a normal variation, not something to worry about.
And of course, this leads us to the first major practical question, right? If you're looking at a blinking smiley for what feels like an eternity, the pressure can feel absolutely immense. You start to think, oh my gosh, are we supposed to be trying every single one of these days? It can turn something that should be enjoyable into a stressful, exhausting chore. So what's the actual right move here? Let me give you the honest answer. You do not have to. Seriously, having sex every other day is just as effective. You have to remember, sperm can live for up to 5 days. So there is absolutely no need to completely exhaust yourselves. In fact, if your partner has a lower sperm count, trying every single day could actually work against you. For that situation, every other day is a much better strategy to make sure sperm quality is at its peak. It's all about what feels sustainable and right for you both. And now, for the other big dilemma, the money. Let's be real, those Clear Blue tests are not cheap. When you're testing day after day and all you see is that blinking face staring back at you, it can seriously feel like you're just throwing money down the drain, all while you're worrying that you're going to run out of tests before you even see your peak.
So what can you do? Well, if money isn't an issue, sure, you can keep testing daily with the Clear Blue. But for a much more budget-friendly way to do it, you might want to try a hybrid approach. While you're in that long, blinking smiley phase, switch over to some much cheaper, simple LH-only test strips. You know, the little paper ones? Use those each day and just watch for the test line to start getting darker. The moment it does, that's your signal to switch back to the Clear Blue digital test to nail down that exact peak day. It's a great way to save money without the stress of missing the big moment.
Okay, I really want you to lean in for this next part because this is the biggest mindset shift you need to make. We get so fixated on that blinking smiley, but it is not the star of the show. It's just the opening act.
This quote really just says it all perfectly. Seeing high fertility for days and days doesn't mean ovulation has happened. It doesn't even mean it's happening right now. It is simply your body's way of saying, hey, get ready, it's coming. Think of it as the around the corner signal, not the we are here signal. This is your target, the static, non-blinking smiley face. This is the signal you've been waiting for. It means the LH surge has finally happened and the final countdown to ovulation has officially begun. All those blinking smileys were just the lead up to this one single moment. This is the real deal.
And the second you see that static smiley, a very important clock starts ticking. This number, 24 to 36 hours, this is your prime window. This is go time. Ovulation is most likely to happen in this exact window. So focusing your energy right here, in the day or two after you see that first peak reading, is by far the most effective strategy.
So let's do a quick recap of the absolute key takeaways here.
Number 1, a long high period with that blinking smiley is normal. It just means ovulation is on its way. Number 2, you do not need the stress of trying every single day. Every other day is a fantastic and effective strategy. Number 3, and this is the big one, shift your focus. The static peak smiley is your real MVP. And finally, number 4, your most fertile time, your golden window, is in the 24 to 36 hours after you see that peak.
So there you have it. The endless blinking smiley is officially demystified. It's not this confusing, frustrating thing anymore. It's a predictable signal that you now understand and can totally work with. So the real question is, now that you know what that test is really telling you, what are you going to do differently?